Boys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tylan, and today I want to share with you and teach you exactly the foods that I'm eating day in, day out, like exactly with photos and everything, talk you through it in order for me to essentially become a model. That's one of my aspiring goals. I'm trying to improve my looks. I'm trying to build my dream physique, get to my ideal, most attractive self and my character, and that's what you're here to learn essentially. So let's jump straight into it, boys. Now, my story, I didn't always look like this. I was actually cooked. Sorry, I forgot to change the title, but I was actually cooked. Look at this, like skin issues, inflamed, puffy face, my jawline growing in the wrong way, bad physique, skinny, right, and just terrible fashion sense. Sure, I was a bit younger, I didn't know much, but now that I do, I could have helped my younger self. So chances are, if you're 18, 19, this information is going to be incredible for you to help you change your character, change yourself today. I'm 24. You know, you could start today. So yeah, start changing your life today, boys. I was cooked. If I hadn't found the content I'm about to share with you, it completely changed my physique, looks, energy levels, and life in general. Just a physique update. Went to the gym this morning, hit legs. This is where I look like right now. And it generally improved my life, boys. I'm telling you. So the food that I'm about to share with you, since fixing it, this is what I look like now. No inflammation, no facial issues. My face is actually improving now. My jawline is improving because I've changed the foods that I eat, and I have a few different habits that I do every single day to grow a wider, sharper jawline. As you can see, style, changing my style. I've got new necklace, my blue light blocking glasses, physique as well, building an incredible physique. This diet is going to help with everything. This diet alone, I think one meal alone is around 100 grams of protein. You have two of those, you're hitting 200 grams of protein. But the best part is you don't even need to count calories, boys. So let's jump straight into the crux, the juice, if you will. What the fuck did that happen? There we go. Here is my daily eating schedule. So essentially, macros, or like my daily eating schedule, this is like the rules that I have. It needs to be easy to prepare and consume, okay? It needs to be optimized for nutrition, health. It needs to be beneficial for my looks, so no foods that are obviously going to ruin that and my gut health. And it must not be complicated. No crazy recipes, no preparing 20 days in advance, nothing like that. I will give you a system where you don't ever have to count calories. Daily protocol, this is essentially what you can expect to get. This is my daily protocol. I get around 150, 180 grams of protein from my meals. I eat minimum 6 eggs a day for testosterone. I fast every single day up until 5 o'clock. Up until the hunt is complete. Essentially, I follow, boys. So this is my philosophy in life, okay? This is how I'm going to stay healthy for the rest of my life without ever having to count calories, take supplements, need to take supplements, need surgery, need anything, okay? I follow an ancestral protocol. I live like my ancestors. So I wake up early without an alarm to the sunrise and immediately get sunlight into my eyes. I hydrate and I start the day fasted. I go to the gym, I work out, I come back home, I record these YouTube videos, I work on my business. Up until everything is complete, that's when I eat. That is essentially fasting until the hunt is complete. That's exactly how you're going to get jacked. That's how you're going to keep a clear skin and be attractive and be very, very healthy as well, boys. Eat carbs around training. So and this isn't a strict fast. So as I'm working out, I'll have a bit of coconut water. I'll have some honey, and I'll have some fruit to fuel my training session. And then I'll follow my meal 3 to 5 hours before bed to optimize for digestion during when I'm awake, and then optimize for sleep when I'm actually supposed to be sleeping so that I get enough sleep. Now, this is where I will give you all the foods. So let's get straight into that, boys. Oh shit. Because I've got blue light glasses, everything is red to me, so everything looks the same, but we'll try to explain it. This is essentially a meal that I eat, and it doesn't matter if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I have it any time that I need to eat. Depending on your protocol, you will eat this whenever it is for you. Always, as a pattern, you will see eggs. I've always got eggs. I always cook my foods in the following oils. Write these down, pay attention. Butter, grass-fed, grass-finished, organic. ghee, grass finished, organic, beef tallow, grass fed, grass finished, extra virgin organic coconut oil. Those are the 4 oils that I use to cook. Extra virgin olive oil I will use cold. I won't use that to cook. My eggs are pasture raised organic ideally. If you can't afford it, go for free range, but true free range. Don't go for that bullshit free range. Do your research. Cheese, dairy, lots of cheese. I'll show you a whole slide with the types of cheese that I have. I've got some enoki mushrooms, garlic paste that I made, and that looks like avocados. So you will always see eggs, avocados, a bit of cheese, and some mushrooms here and there, and fruits like tomatoes, capsicum I'll actually put here and there, cucumbers, carrots as a vegetable I'll have, squash, pumpkin sometimes, all that jazz. Here I've got beef mince rolled into kofta. So I just made it with my hands. I rolled it, put some spice into it, cook it, few minutes here and there, done. Cooked in beef tallow, ghee, butter, incredible boys. That's going to be the key protein for you. And then we've got more eggs, avocado drizzled with olive oil. See boys, you can get creative. Eating healthy doesn't need to be boring. It doesn't need to be this, scientific process. You can eat clean forever without counting your macros, without tracking anything, and make it delicious and new every single time. This is what I do. I never get bored of what I eat, and that's why I can stay healthy effortlessly. Literally effortlessly. Like, this is life-changing. I can't actually see here, but I've got a bit of mushrooms and I think a steak, eggs, and some avocado again. Let's jump into the next slide. This is a gut cleanser. Oh my god, if you're down bad, if your skin is horrible and your health is horrible, you eat this for like a week straight, you will, oh my god guys, I'm telling you, you will glow the fuck up. Beef bone broth with cabbage, celery, and grass-fed, grass-finished organic beef. I am telling you, you eat this every single day, holy fuck, your life will change. Grass-fed, grass-finished organic steak again, and grass-fed, grass-finished eggs cooked in butter. Boys, all clean, super healthy, super delicious. I've got a steak, 200 grams. I've got 2 lamb chops here, some broccoli. I don't eat greens very often, at all, but sometimes I do. Garlic, some pickles, cucumbers, and some cheese. Again, the usual, guys. Just keeping it super healthy, super protein rich. This meal alone on the right here is 120 grams of protein. This meal here is around 80 to 90 grams of protein. This meal here is around 60 grams of protein, boys. This meal here is around 80 grams of protein, or 60 to 80 grams, because underneath it is actually a steak, which I forgot to tell you, underneath the eggs. 80 grams, 80 grams, okay? These, just by the looks alone, because I did the calculation before, by looking at the plate, I can tell how much protein is there. So all I have to do is just make another plate if I need more protein. This is my cheese. I eat a lot of cheese because cheese is great. It's fermented and it's amazing for your gut health as well. And I love cheese. So I've got cheddar cheese, I've got paneer Indian cheese, which is incredible. I've got halloumi cheese, and I've got some white cheese as well, aged cheddar, vintage, whatever. Go ham with cheese. I've got Bulgarian sheep cheese at the back and red Leicester English cheese. Boys, go ham on cheese. Go ham on fermented foods. I'm talking cheese, kefir, coconut kefir, A2 milk or raw milk, yogurt, all of those good stuff. Very good for you. I've got organic yogurt here, cold pressed juice. This is very important. Don't get anything else but cold pressed juice or fresh juice if it's bottled. And some more cheese, boys. Smooth ricotta. I've got some bocconcini. Good stuff. This is the MVP meal. 3 eggs, 300 grams of protein, or beef mince, like meat. So there's around, on this plate, again, 80 grams of protein on this plate alone. We've got avocado and some fruits at the back. Some carbohydrates, nutrients, all that good stuff. Cucumbers, very hydrating for the face. And tomatoes, very hydrating as well because they're full of juices. Avocado, key fats that you need for testosterone production, hormone production, and everything else. Cholesterol, proper hormone production from the eggs. Beef mince, packed with nutrients. Guys, as long as you're eating this every single day and you're not eating processed foods, your whole life will change. Yogurt with honey, game changer. Honey is a life-changing food. It is so beneficial for your gut. It is out of this world. This is the only supplement that you should really be taking every day. Honey and yogurt every single fucking day. No questions asked. And then more steak. Boys, this is how I cook my steak. Salt, pepper, garlic on butter, cooked in low heat, and I eat my steak raw. Almost raw pretty much. Like I just sear it a few seconds here and there. The inside is pretty much raw. The reason for that is the nutrient absorption from raw foods is higher as opposed to when you cook them. Since becoming more and more attractive and into my ideal character, my results in life have been increasing. Boys, if you're ready to feel the same results, work with me one-to-one. You can apply in the top link in the description. I will keep you accountable day in, day out, and help you build your ideal physique, build your systems and your routines so that you can, using the cards that you're dealt in life, whatever problems it is, get to your most ideal physique, your most ideal attractive character. That's exactly what I help guys with. That's exactly what I can help you. If you're willing to change, if you're willing to take your life and your looks and your character seriously, okay? I will always share with you free advice on this channel. So if you're not ready to work with me, you can apply. You can watch these videos completely for free and learn from me every single day. My goal is to become a model, not because I'm interested in modeling. It's just so I can say that I am a model and I've done it. And obviously getting there is a long process, and if you want to do the same, if you want to become a model, if you want to become attractive, if you want to build your dream physique and attract your dream woman, or if you just want more women in your life, whatever it is, building a dream physique, building your life, building the energy and the looks, the charisma, the physique, the style, is going to get you there, and I can help you get there. So, if you're ready to work with me, apply one-to-one. If not, watch my videos completely for free, boys. But that brings me to the end of the channel. Make sure to subscribe. That brings me to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and see my related videos. Become your most attractive, energetic, and best-looking self in a healthy way. And that's what I preach, boys. All these foods that you see, you don't see any supplements. You don't see extra protein powders. I didn't share with you anything else. It's just clean foods. These are the foundations. Anything else is a bonus. Your supplements, your creatine, all that shit, your skincare products, they're all a bonus, boys. I haven't been using skincare for the past 3 years. I've not been taking any medicine. I haven't gone to the doctor. I've not gone to the hospital. I've done nothing in non-natural in 3-4 years. It's just, I haven't done it because of the lifestyle that I have. I get 10k steps per day. I get sunlight every day, blue light blocking glasses. I eat clean every day. I fast every day. I work out 3 times a week. Boys, I'm telling you, it's a whole system, and within not long, you're gonna look at yourself in the mirror and think, holy fuck, how did I get there? Holy fuck, I'm attractive. Holy shit, I look fucking good. People are noticing me. People are looking at me. Girls are literally sticking around. They're getting close to me. And they're getting close to me because they want me to talk to them. I'm telling you, boys, it's amazing. And the thing is, you've only got one life, so why not try and get to your most ideal physique? It's like playing an RPG game like Skyrim and just not taking it seriously. Sure, you can restart, but you can't restart in life. So you've got this one life. You're dealt the cards that you're dealt. You've got information, your skin, your physique, your athletics, your height, whatever it is. Why wouldn't you use the cards that you're dealt to try your best to improve your physique, to improve your looks to the best of your ability, to the genetic potential that you can achieve? Why not? Why wouldn't you want to do that? And that's what I looked at myself and said, why wouldn't I want to do that? And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm focused on that, on my looks, my physique, getting to that point. And like I said, man, I'm doing this completely for free for you on YouTube. But if you want to get to that next level fast with me, then let's do it, man. Let's take you to that next step. Much love. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.